The ACNC gets applications from organisations that we can't register. This section covers some of the common issues that we see. The issues can be grouped together under two main headings: problems with the charity's purpose and problems with being not-for-profit. Some purposes are not recognised as charitable. Some purposes may benefit the community but not fit the legal meaning of charitable purpose. For example, your organisation may not fit the legal meaning of a charity if it is a social club, unless its main purpose is charitable, such as to help people who are socially isolated or disadvantaged, and the club's social activities are the way it achieves this purpose. A sporting or recreational organisation, unless its main purpose is charitable, such as providing sporting activities for people with disabilities or the elderly. A professional or trade group, unless its main purpose is charitable, such as advancing education. These organisations may still be not-for-profits and exempt from income tax, or qualify as charities under state and territory laws. However, they are unlikely to fall within the legal meaning of charity for the purposes of the ACNC Act and Charities Act. Some purposes cannot be charitable. Some purposes are deliberately disqualified from being charitable, such as the purposes of engaging in or promoting activities that are unlawful or against public policy, or promoting or opposing a political party or candidate for political office. Having both charitable and non-charitable purposes. If your organisation has non-charitable purposes and these do not further its charitable purposes, your organisation is unlikely to be registered as a charity. For example, if your organisation has a purpose to provide food to homeless people, charitable, and to provide social events for the businesses who donate the ingredients for the meals, non-charitable, then your organisation is unlikely to be registered as a charity.
Private benefit to members. Some organisations may have a charitable purpose, but they also provide a private benefit to their members. For example, an organisation that is set up to promote the arts, which is charitable, but does this by promoting works for sale of particular artists who are members of the organisation, would not be eligible to be a registered charity. Lack of a suitable governing document. The ACNC will decide what your organisation's purposes are by looking at your organisation's governing documents, for example, its constitution, rules or deed, as these usually set out its purpose or objects, other types of evidence, such as your organisation's activities, annual reports, financial statements, and corporate documents. If these documents are absent or incomplete, it means we can't identify your organisation's purposes or whether it is not-for-profit.